Oh my god. So, this is how it goes. This bathroom is so small, I cannot fit in the motherfucker. Watch this. I got some business to take care of. Look at this small little fucking closet. Like, ass and stomach touches door. Okay, right now, I'm touching both sides of the door and the fucking sink. Now, I'm touching both sides of the door, the sink, and the toilet. Now I'm touching both sides of the door, the sink, the toilet, and the shower. What the fuck? Polly Pocket. I can't read anything you guys are saying, unfortunately. I gotta take a shower. That's gross. Man, I think I'm constipated. Oh, it's squeaking. It's making a squeak. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I literally right now, I'm touching both walls, side to side of the bathroom, sitting on the toilet and leaning on the fucking, the sink. This is the worst. This is absolutely the worst. And the bed smelled like gay sex. I slept on top of the covers. Oh. Worst thing about this is I know this hasn't been the toughest thing to fucking pass through an ass in this room. This is like gay compound. Hey, okay. I'm like, where the fuck is the toilet paper? Oh my god. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. What a room this is. The shower is surprisingly the most spacious thing in here. And it's tiny. Like, I'm gonna have to do some fucking maneuvering to wash my bod. Oh my god. Heave! Ho! Biting my tongue over here. There's like a power outage. The pipes just aren't working. I think it's all that fucking waffle covered chicken I had last night. I figured the nachos I had in Seattle would have helped pass anything. Must not eaten enough jalapenos. Ooh. Everything smells like chlorine. Oh my gosh. It's a lively bunch of folks we had out here. That's for sure. My God. There's like a little monster monster just hanging on. In the tiniest fucking bathroom. I think I'm gonna have a nap or something. Wake up and this thing better be out of me. I feel like I'm giving birth over here. I need a midwife. Oh man. I feel like there's a football in there. I gotta spike the ball. It better be huge. I'm in a hurry too. This is bad. I feel like I should try to pinch it off. Or fucking do some jumping jacks so it crawls back up in. Oh my God. I think I gotta relax, but I can't relax in this tiny fucking space. Ugh. Ame ho nerenge kyo. Ame ho merenge kyo. I'm about to give up on this thing. Yeah, I gotta give up and do this in a restaurant. Fuck, man. Ugh. Oh, wait. Oh, man. It's halfway out. I hate my life. I hate it. It's at the tipping point. It's like halfway out, but it doesn't want to go all the way. Worst. This is bad. The shit just got real. Okay, now we're cooking with fire. God damn it. Well, that was money. Worked up a fucking sweat. That's a double wiper. I'm taking a shower. Oh my God. Woo! What's up, Bob? What's up, Bob? We had a baby, it's a boy. Oh my God. What a day for a daydream. How you doing? How you doing? Click this. Oh. Oh, fuck, I can't click it. You didn't see my ass. Oh, you did see it in the mirror? That's gay. That's gay. Oh, man, I can cheek clap. I'm not gonna. You guys want to see something gross? That's cum. Someone busted a nut on this fucking chair. Come on. Come on. They're waiting for me? Whoops. Oh, well. I have to fucking put my clothes on. Oh my God. That includes socks. Man. White socks? That's racist. What's up, Get You Eagle on? Fuck, man. What a fucking weekend it's been. You got no vid?